Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on how to do these goddess locks. I know there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube on how to do goddess locks, but these locks are kind of sort of different. This girl on Instagram, her name is naturalbabe10. I will leave her Instagram down below in the description box so you guys can check her out. But this is a picture of how her locks look, and I think they look absolutely beautiful, and they inspired me to do my locks that way. Yeah, the thing that makes her locks different though is the fact that normally when people do goddess locks, they do them long and skinny, and I like those, but the way that she does it, she do them short, like shoulder length or bob length, if you want to say, and she does them way thicker, and I feel like it cuts on so much time the way that she does it. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Stay tuned. So as you can see, my hair was already done. I just took out one of my locks to do this tutorial for you guys. So yeah, this is the size of the section, and that's pretty much how big I did them. Right now I'm about to spritz my hair with some water because I had some gel there, and I'm just going to loosen up that section to make it more workable. So now I'm going to grab my olive oil and just moisturize this section of hair. You want to make sure that you keep your hair moisturized underneath. Anytime you're protecting your hair, you want to keep your hair moisturized. So now I'm just taking some gel, and this is the amount of gel that I use per section, and this is to keep the section neat. So now you're going to take your curly hair, and this is the curly hair that I use for this section. I use two different types of curly hair for this hairstyle, and I will be sure to leave everything that I use in the description box. So make sure you check the description box, guys, for all the information. Now you're going to combine the Marley hair to that, and then you're going to braid it into your hair. And I also cut the hair in half, and that's how I was able to get the shorter length for this look. Now you're going to braid the hair into your hair. I decided to twist it, but if you don't know how to twist, then you could just box braid it in. Twisting is more easier for me, so that's why I decided to twist, but it's up to you and whatever works best for you. Just keep on twisting down until you get to the end of where the Marley hair ends, and then this is how the end of your twist or braid should look. Now it's time to wrap the hair, and what you're going to want to do is begin wrapping at the base a few times first, and this will help lock in place, and then you're going to begin wrapping the hair around the length of the twist. See how I'm wrapping at the base a few times, and then you're just going to want to begin to bring the hair down and wrap along the length of the twist.
and just keep wrapping, and make sure that you wrap it close together. Once that hair runs out, you're just going to grab another piece of hair and continue on wrapping down, wrapping until you get to where the end of the Marley hair stops at, that you braided underneath. So once you're done wrapping, all you're going to want to do is roll the lock between your fingers a few times, and this is just going to loosen up the lock a little bit so it will look more natural. Now to lock the lock in place, you're going to take nail glue. Yes, nail glue. In all the tutorials I've seen, everybody uses nail glue. I haven't tried burning the ends with the goddess lock, but I know people normally burn the ends when they doing the regular faux locks. But so yeah, I haven't tried that with the goddess locks, but maybe next time I'll try burning it just to see. But nail glue works perfectly fine, and people use nail glue instead of regular hair glue because nail glue dries clear. So yeah, get you some nail glue. Sometimes the lock isn't going to come out perfect. As you can see here, I had some ends still hanging from when I braided underneath. And all you're going to want to do is just trim that away. And then take some more glue and, you know, lock it in place. And that's pretty much it. You're just going to keep rolling it into your fingers until the glue is all the way dry. And now you're just going to keep rolling the lock between your fingers until you get the desired thickness and as loose as you want it to be. And then that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.
So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you all understood how I described and went through the steps of doing the locks and whatever. I tried my hardest to explain it. I'm not really good with hair tutorials. I'm trying to step up my A game with that. But yeah, please thumbs up this video if you like this tutorial and would like to see more hair tutorials from me. I actually enjoyed doing it, even though it was a little complicated. But yeah, and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming this way for you guys. It's just trying to find the time to edit for you all. But yeah, so that's it. Like the video, subscribe, comment what other videos you guys would like to see. I would love your feedback. And yeah, be sure to check out the description box for all the details of the products that I use, and everything, her Instagram and other links that will be more helpful for you guys in doing the hair and doing the goddess locks. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.